Now let's look at Module 7, Introduction to Order Flow Price Patterns. Now we really are beginning to get to the exciting part of the entire program after we've really established the foundational elements of what a price ladder is, market velocity and exchange. Now we've created this order flow foundational graphic image, and just remember the reason why we've created this instead of having text is that the human brain likes to absorb information or structure the information in its so-called operating system with images. It's how we digest, it's how we remember things, mind mapping and so forth, all these various different types of learning techniques as opposed to one-dimensional text. So how we really breaking this down is into really four main segments, and within those four main segments we can really compartmentalize it in order to separate the various different types of order flow patterns. So effectively, where we started is it really all starts from the market participant, whether from the market participants such as your institutional funds or your speculators will then engage in certain types of execution strategies. So it's from the execution strategies and the type of execution orders will determine if really in four broad categories, and those four broad categories can cover and encompass a whole host of different types of order strategies and therefore trading strategies that we deploy. But this is a broad summary of how we can be tackling the rest of the modules and the main sections, which will be large orders. So when large orders are executed and how to identify them and how to trade around them. Then we look at various types of absorption patterns, what we're looking for in an absorption pattern, what are the various different trading strategies when we actually look at the price ladder and how to observe them, how to trade around them. Then we look at really the spoofing and flipping price ladder patterns, how to see them, and then how to maneuver around them, and then really using a combination of the large orders, the absorption, the spoofing and flipping, then we really start looking at personality price ladder shift to know when there's a reversal in play. And we look at the final section, really reversal and momentum type plays. And then from those execution orders that you see in the marketplace, well, what type of trading strategies that you're going to deploy for your large orders, for your absorption patterns that you observe, for the spoofers and the flippers, for when the market is about to reverse or it's about to break out. And in the large order section, we look at really at 5 main trading strategies. In the absorption section, we look at 4 strategies that we trade around. In the spoofing and flipping, there's 5 key strategies. And then in the reversal and momentum section, we'll be looking at 5 key strategies again. So all very important, and in conjunction we then identify those trading strategies and those types of execution orders. What is the optimum market environment? Remember, we are defining a market environment by the level of auctioning activity, by the liquidity, by the and by the velocity of exchange of orders. So this is all critically key, and I want you to really print out this map, paste it on your desk, maybe laminate it, put it on your desk alongside with your market environment, your landscape environment. Print those two by your desk and use those as your foundational template when you make your observations on a daily basis in your journal, and really ticking, where does this trading strategy fall, under what category over here? Oh, I've just discovered a new type of large order trading strategy, so I'm going to put it under my large order trading section. Oh, I've just discovered a large order trading strategy that exists in this type of market environment, in this type of market. So use those two templates, laminate it on your desk, and then really use that to really start building up your price ladder operating system, so it becomes a very efficient an efficient weapon in the marketplace.